Not all signs are correct in the woods. It's March. There's a clear sign that says spring. It's not spring, it's 0 out. They're crazy. This wind is pretty good. Lots of fun. Tremper Fire Tower. It's gonna be an abort, cancel mission. I was following another set of tracks up and just bare booting it, but just near the summit, turns to snow again. I could definitely make it. I just don't want to be that guy. It was mostly hard-packed ice, and hard-packed ice has turned to powdery snow, so I'm very close. I could touch it. I'm right there on the map. Anyway, I'll screenshot it, and then I've been here 100 times, so it's no big deal. But it's time to go back down.